How to search within a text on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your phone. The Messages app on iPhone allows users to send and receive text messages, photos, videos, and other media with other iPhone users via iMessage or with non-Apple devices via SMS or MMS. It also supports features like group messaging, voice messages, and the ability to schedule messages. You are now in the Messages page where you can view all your messages. Go to the search bar at the top and type in the text that you're looking for. Then, tap on See All as shown. You will now be able to see all your messages and conversations that contain the text you just searched for. Following these steps, you can easily search within a text on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.